Hey everyone, and welcome back to another exciting video. If you're looking to spice up your rooted Android phone in May 2025, you've come to the right place. Today, we're diving into how to install 3 awesome custom boot animations inspired by Kali Nethunter and CTOS. Before we get started, make sure you have a few things ready. First and foremost, your Android phone needs to be rooted. Alright, let's get into the fun part, installing these cool boot animations. Now, the first step is to choose which boot animation you want to install. Today we're showcasing 3 fantastic options. Classic Nethunter boot animation, new Kali boot animation. For a more modern and graphical take, the new Kali boot animation provides a sleek and stylish way to start your phone. And last one is CTOS boot animation. Once you've decided which one you want, you'll need to download the boot animation zip file. Download link is available in video description. After downloading, open your root file explorer and navigate to the location where you saved the zip file. Now, you need to go to the System Product Media folder on your device. This is where the boot animation files are typically located. Once you're in the System Product Media folder, you'll need to rename the boot animation zip file to exactly bootanimation.zip. Before you proceed, it's always a good idea to back up your current boot animation if you have one. This way, if anything goes wrong or you don't like the new one, you can easily switch back. And that's it. Once your phone boots back up, you should be greeted by your brand new custom boot animation. Let me know in the comments below which one you decided to go with. So there you have it, a quick and easy way to customize your rooted Android phone with some awesome boot animations for May 2025. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more Android customization tips and tricks.